Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to check the live player count for any game on Steam. Whether you are a curious gamer or a developer monitoring a title's popularity, knowing these numbers provides excellent insights. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, you need to open the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can quickly download it from the official Steam website. Once it is ready, double-click the icon to launch the software, making sure your internet connection is stable for the best experience. With the Steam app now open, you will see the prompt to log in. If you aren't signed in yet, click the Login button. This step is essential to access Steam's full range of features, including the specific statistics we are looking for today. Enter your account name and password into the correct fields. If you happen to forget your login credentials, you can always use the account recovery options to reset them. After filling in your details, simply click Sign In. This brings you to your Steam homepage, where you can see your games, friends, and the store. On the homepage, move your cursor to the top menu bar. You will see several categories like Library and Community, but for this task, click on the Store tab. Once the store page loads, look for a section labeled Stats or Statistics. You can usually find this near the top of the page, often located within a More drop-down menu. Clicking this will open a new page featuring various graphs and data points. This is where you can monitor the real-time status of every game played on the platform. This page allows you to view current player totals and other important metrics for every title. If you have a specific game in mind, just type its name into the search bar to see its individual data. As you look through the statistics, you will find detailed info on active players and how those numbers trend over time. This data is incredibly helpful for finding active multiplayer communities or tracking the success of popular games. Now you can easily view all player statistics on Steam to make better gaming or development decisions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Happy gaming!